Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the in-game menu and going straight to where buffs appear. This saves time. Once the menu is open, navigate to Inventory or the dedicated Buffs tab. Consoles vary, so use the button prompts. You'll see small icons above your health and mana bars. Those represent active buffs. Make sure to note icon order and duration numbers so you can compare effects at a glance. If icons are hidden, toggle the HUD or check controller mapping immediately to reveal them. Once you can see the icons, highlight each buff to read its tooltip and remaining time. This tells you how long the effect lasts. You should pay attention to numerical modifiers like plus damage, percent speed increases, and flat defense. These explain the how and why behind stat changes. Also check for stacked buffs. Some will stack, others will overwrite. When two similar buffs exist, the larger value usually prevails. Make sure to inspect accessory or potion sources so you can manage timing and to finish, actively manage buffs by reapplying potions, eating food, or lighting campfires to renew timers. You want continuous coverage for boss fights. If you need to identify sources, temporarily disable accessories and re-equip them one by one so you can attribute each buff. And if buffs aren't appearing on the screen, first toggle the HUD or buff display options, then restart the game if necessary. That fixes most console display glitches. One tip, keep a labeled potion stack for quick reapplication during runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.